Okay then, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today is Saturday the 17th of June 2025. It's been a while. This video probably won't go out until the end of June now, but it has been a while since I've been out recording. I'd say at least solid 3-4 weeks. But on its way now, we're at Liverpool Lime Street. On its way out, should be in the next 10 seconds, is a Northern Class 331 heading with the 1450 Northern service, all station stopper to Wigan North Western, departing off platform 4.
Ticket checks are in operation at this station. Please have your tickets available for inspection.
Which is coming from that yellow thing there. Hopefully, eventually. It's the 1450, I can hear the whistle blowing now, so it's obviously not going to leave on time. 1450 Northern service to Wigan North Western, calling at all stations to Wigan North Western. And it should be going any second, already about 40 there we go. 331104. Four-car service day.
The next train to depart from platform 7 will be the 1419 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes, calling at Liverpool South Parkway,
Something's on the way in.
Warrington Central, Birchwood, Earlham, Urmston, Manchester Oxford Road, Manchester Piccadilly, Stockport,
there, London North
Sheffield,
Western,
Meadowhall,
with a service from Birmingham,
Doncaster, Scunthorpe, Barnetby, Hayborough, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Meadowhall should board the front 4 coaches. Passengers for Scunthorpe, Barnetby
busy service,
and Grimsby Town should board the front 5 coaches. Platform 7 for the 1419 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes.
move down a bit if this is going to block my view for a bit, because it's not due out for another about 15 minutes. Please keep going, please don't block my view. And 350 113 up the front, and it's kept going, so it's not blocking my way, thank God. 350 113. Next to depart will be this Transpennine Express Class 1185 heading for Cleethorpes via Manchester Piccadilly, Sheffield. It's a 3-car 185. Short platforms at Meadowhall, front 4 carriages only. So I'll come back in around a minute. Shorting up shop now is this Class 1185 Transpennine heading to Cleethorpes.
Platform 10 will be the 1422 Northern service to Manchester Oxford Road, calling at Edge Hill, Mossley Hill,
185 should be on its way any second.
Liverpool South Parkway, Half Green, Warrington West, Warrington Central.
Actually, it's been held because that's coming in there.
Earlham,
Unknown where it's coming from.
Castle Road, Urmston and Manchester Oxford Road. Platform 10 of the 1422.
So those are now shut on that.
Manchester Oxford Road.
And now the local door is closed as well. Transpennine Express with a 1419 service to Cleethorpes. Here we go, leaving a minute late now. Now. Five 118. coupled with 185101 for Cleethorpes via Manchester, Piccadilly and Sheffield. Okay, I'll get one more train on this video. What we are going to see very briefly is 1422 Northern service to Manchester Oxford Road. Pair of DMUs, Avanti 807001 here is covering it up, so we will see it for a brief second. There we go. Right, now 150 at the front and 156 at the rear. Okay, just dead quick. What I'm now going to show you, just pointing the camera down. What I'm now going to show you is something that I made. This is my plan of how I got here and how I will get home. So you can see there, I got on 38 this morning. Ran eventually, by the time we got in, it was around 12 minutes late. I don't know what was going on. I think it was just collating to heavy traffic because there was no one in front of us 18 minutes late. So it wasn't that good. Then went to Shoedale for reasons that I cannot speak. Came back, jumped on the train northern between Piccadilly and Liverpool. Ended up being around, well, on time, but we did come in late because it went into Manchester Airport late because of a late running service in front of that one. But we did end up getting here a couple of minutes early. Going back, and all the units are there. Now the trams I couldn't tell what they were online, so I had to write them down as I got there. And that was ADE 511. Nope, 551 instead of 552. That's what I wrote there. I don't know why I did that. But next train that I'll get home will be the 6 o'clock service, 331110, heading from Liverpool to Piccadilly. And then the bus home after about a 6-minute wait, WDS 257, and home by about 8 o'clock. So that's the plan. If you're on my Twitter, you'll see that I posted it on there, so you can keep eyes on. You'll be keeping my eyes on there. But now I'm going to end this video.
Are in operation at this station.
Of course, that happens.
Please have your ticket available for inspection.
I'm going to end the video here now. This is Liverpool Lime Street. Be a fair few more videos coming from this location, as I am here for the next 3.5 hours. So 35113, and that has been London North Western. Thank you, and we'll see you. Bye.